What's up YouTube, my hot campers, coming back at you again with another video. Today we've got a mail day and I've ordered some stuff for the boat project. One of the things that just came in was I ordered an Origin wakeboard tower along with a rack, a mirror, and some speakers for the wakeboard tower. So I'm going to unbox those so anybody interested in ordering from Origin can take a look at the quality and what comes in each box. Origin sent 4 boxes, so I'm not exactly sure what's in all of them. So let's go ahead and start with this box and see what we got. And I'll have the link in the description for their website. I'm not a sponsor, like I said, but I thought I'd do this opening for those of you interested in that company but not sure exactly quality of their products. So this looks like the wakeboard rack. Alright, so it looks like we're going to have to put it together. And that's the mounting bracket. And that is solid. That is a nice piece of aluminum. There's nothing cheap feeling about this at all. That's pretty nice. Not sure what this is for, but I'm sure we'll have some kind of instructions. Alright, so let's see how these look here. Those look pretty good. And, there's a rubber insert here on both of them. Feels like a quality piece of aluminum for sure. It's pretty thick, as you can see. Again, feels like it's pretty good quality. Alright. And then we've got another piece here, just the other side of the rack, as you can see. Really nice. It's really good quality. And then here's the mounting plate that it comes with. And then, let's see. Then it comes with a bag of screws. Alright, so there we go. Looking good so far. Happy with the quality so far. Here's one of the other boxes that came. This box actually, which should have the mirror and the speakers, came with the tower. They actually they were shipped from California, and they arrived at the same time. The rack was shipped from, I forget where, but it was shipped from the Midwest somewhere, and it came several days later. So anyway, let's get into these two. Alright, we'll just go with the big box first. I'm assuming this is going to be the speakers. And I believe that they were the speaker pods as well as a set of speakers, 6.5. Nothing crazy. It's just speakers anyway. I wasn't looking to spend a lot of money because it's going to be out on a boat, so let's just take a look. Okay. Alright, so again, not exactly sure what this is for. I'm sure we'll find out when we install, and I will share that. Okay, so let's take a look at the pods themselves. Here's one here. They should be polished. Oh, yep. Cool. Yeah, not bad at all, guys. Comes with the speaker. Short piece of speaker wire. So you're definitely going to have to buy some speaker wire. They look really nice. The pods look good. As you can see, polished. This is where it's going to mount to the rack. Or to the tower, I'm sorry. And then it looks like we've got these guys here, so they'll go on the bottom like so. And I'm imagining that this probably goes somewhere, possibly in between the bar, maybe. I don't know. We'll see, we'll find out when we get to installing, which will be another video down the road. We'll go through all that stuff. Okay, so we got the lower mounting piece, all this rubber, and the second pod. Same thing, looks really good. The finish is pretty good. I got no complaints. They feel like they're pretty good quality. Speaker feels decent. We won't really know until we get it wired up and hear it. Looks good. Wire's short again, so speaker wire is definitely on the list of things that we got to get to make this install work. There we go. And then of course it looks like we got a set of screws and an Allen wrench here that comes with the speakers, so that's cool. Alright, so not bad, guys. Like I said, these speakers came at a significantly discounted price when you bought the tower, so I'm very happy with them. They will serve their purpose as long as the speakers sound good, which we will definitely test once we get to the installation piece of that. Now this should be our mirror. So far pretty impressed with the quality, guys. It all feels legitimately well built. Okay. Here's our polished arm. Some more rubber for mounting, I'm assuming. Okay. Alright, here's the mirror. It doesn't feel as good a quality as the rest of the items. It's still okay. Okay, so let's get this guy open. Oh yeah, that looks good. That is a nice piece of polished aluminum for sure. Looks really good. So I'm assuming it's going to go something like so. So the arm is definitely good. Mirror's a little cheap feeling, but that's okay. But the arm itself is very nice. Alright, so let's get into this wakeboard tower. The main event. Again, all info will be in the description, guys. I'm not a sponsor by this wakeboard tower manufacturer by any means, but I'll include the links to their website, and I'll also include the exact model of everything that I got here, just so you know. And then we will be doing an installation video as well, so be sure to watch out for that coming up. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so it looks like it's packaged pretty good. All the bars look like they're wrapped in foam here, which is nice. They're zip tied together in spots. Looks like it held everything nicely. Doesn't look like anything got damaged during shipping, which is cool. Yeah, it's zip tied together. What we'll probably do is I'll probably only open one of the bars, but you can see it comes with two of the curved bars here, and then it's got two longer curved bars below that, here and here. We've got probably the middle crossbar here, and then we've got some other curved bars there. So let's get into what we've got into this box here. Looks like all of our mounting equipment. We've got a bunch of mounting bolts, nice Allen head bolts here, and it comes with an Allen wrench as well. That's nice if you don't have a set of Allen wrenches. Got some rubber grommets. Alright, let's see, and we've got several. Okay, so we've got just some of the mounting brackets. And guys, this is quality. This really feels quality to me. It's a solid piece of aluminum. It's pretty thick. Very solid. Finish on it's pretty good. No complaints there. It's shiny. So several of these, I'm not going to go ahead and empty them all out in this particular video. We'll definitely get into that for the installation video. But what I was looking for was some solid plates. Talked to somebody who had installed one of these before, and they had to make some long plates for the back, where they for the inside of the boat where they installed it. And I was curious if they had any with this. I don't see them so far. Alright, so here's our tubing. Finish looks pretty good on it. As you can see, it's fairly thick. Got a good thickness to it. Alright, so here's the cross member. Hopefully you guys can see that. Looks really nice. Finish looks great. Yeah, it looks good. It's good quality. Like, I'm impressed. But no instructions so far, so that's a little concerning to me. I'm sure you can download it from their website. So that's it. That pretty much includes everything in it. Now, of course, I'll get into all the parts when we do the installation video, but for the most part, this should give you an idea of what comes in the box when you order it, and of the quality, the thickness of the tubes. All the aluminum really looks great, I think. I'm happy with it. But no instructions, so we'll definitely have to download those or find out about that. Alright, so let me talk about what I purchased this for, guys. I watched this website pretty much all winter long, and they finally dropped the price on this tower down to $4.99, which I thought was a great deal. And then with that, it came with their winter special, came with the free rack and the free mirror. So for $4.99 I got the rack, the mirror, and the tower, which was really great. I don't know if they're still running that sale or not, but definitely check out their link to their website in the description. And then for a discounted price, when you bought the wakeboard tower, you could get the speakers $200 off. So that's why I purchased the speakers as well. So total, I think my total was $681 for everything, including shipping. So not bad for a brand new wakeboard tower. I've seen a lot of used ones that were right in the $500 range. So this to me seemed like a pretty good deal. So anyway, guys, I think that wraps it up. We'll get more in depth with everything else in this box once we get to the installation video. So I hope that gives you an idea for now what you get when you order it, and then we'll get to the installation coming up in the next few videos. So be sure to stay tuned for that. And as always, be sure to check out the description for all the links to our stores and all extra information on everything we've got in this video here. And as always, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace!